Yeah, let's do step 1. Okay, both of you can't maintain with either side of your families. What does that say? Forget the extended, forget the cousins. Yeah, cousins networking, that is different. You guys have to first do the basics. First, own parents need to be respected, honey. It's step 1. Let it go. For stupid reasons, cutting off from the father. Why? Because he got paparazzi shots. That's the reason to cut off from the father. What? The most delulu reasons you both have. Yeah, the royal family, nothing. We just spent 30 million on your wedding. We included her in everything. We tried to make her feel special. The moment the bullying allegations were coming out, yeah, we immediately had to flip the script and make it all about the royals being they are the ones, they are the problems. And then she comes to US and here also the allegations are there. So now we can't escape the reality, which is it's not the royal family, right? It is us. But we won't take any accountability. Now we have to play the victim card. And Meghan and Blake Lively both should have a podcast, and literally like the victim card, the podcast name can be, and they both can go on whining and we all have fun listening to it. This is earned. Princess Catherine and Prince William have earned this. Commitment to their family, commitment to their parents, commitment to tradition. You think it was easy for them? The amount of media speculation Princess Catherine went through? Princess Catherine was relentlessly harassed by the paparazzi. This happened for more than, 10 years? They knew each other from college. So the media was making fun of her, and Meghan very excitedly in Oprah Winfrey, Kate was called Waity Katie. It is not the same as being racist. Excuse me? Your husband is claiming that he heard. You didn't even hear the comments. And he comes back in another interview and just denies it. And says, no, it was not racism. And he knows his family, he says. And it's not racism. So you guys very conveniently deny it. You throw it out there, especially when Prince Philip was hospitalized. Please, you guys have done such blunders. We all as audience can write a book about it. So empathy has left the building. This article is looking for damage control and empathy. And that's left the building, honey. These are confident kids because they are being raised that way. They are managing to keep them as royal kids who attend important events only, not too many. Important events, we spot them, and then otherwise are kept completely away from the public eye, and they're trying to make them live as a private life as possible, as much as they can. And look how confident and rounded these kids look. They're missing connection. Yeah, when you trash your own family, when you run after $100 million, deals to make money, to live in big mansions, that's what happens. This is the cost of fame. When you choose to trash your family, you lose the family, and that's the cost. And I always say this, that money can, buy you happiness temporarily, but never permanently.